Okay, next lesson. A really special present. Are you looking for a really special present? Understand, repeat the answer, and describe my words in English. I ask you questions about words and you answer me and try to describe them in English by using other words. Okay, are you looking for a really special present? What is present? In English, of course. What is present? Something. Or, yes, it's a gift. It's kind of gift. You can use a synonym or you can use other words to describe the word. Okay. Amazing adventures are the perfect original present. Do you know somebody who would like to drive a real Ferrari? Do you know somebody who would like to drive a real Ferrari? Salsa dance or fly in a balloon? There are more than 40 experience presents to choose from. Each amazing adventure comes in an attractive box including a book and video. Each amazing adventure comes in an attractive box including a book and video. Okay. Do you like singing in the shower? Would you like to be a pop star? Now you can record the song of your dreams at a real recording studio. Price $500. Present B. Do you like seeing historic cars and planes? Would you like to go back in the time and learn to fly authentic World War II plane? Authentic World War II plane. What is authentic? Authentic. How can you describe this word? Authentic. Authentic. So, authentic. Authentic you can describe as made to be exactly the same as the original. Understand? Made to be exactly the same as the original. Understand? Do you understand the sentence? Made to be exactly the same as the original. Understand? Okay, now repeat. Price $275 for people of maximum weight, 225 pounds. for people of maximum weight? 225 pounds. Maximum height, 6.3 feet. Oh, 6, oh no, not 6 points, 6 and 3 feet. Okay, so tell me, what is weight? Okay, or you can say how heavy someone or something is, right? Which can be measured. How heavy someone or something is, repeat. Someone or something is, which can be measured in, for example, pounds or kilograms. You understand the sentence, right? Can be measured. Measured. M-E-A-S-U-R-E-D. Measured. Measured. Okay. What is height? What is height? Very good. The measurement, you can say height is the measurement of how tall a person or thing is. Understand? Repeat. If you understand, you need to repeat and then answer my questions. The measurement of how tall is a person or thing. The measurement of how tall a person or thing is. The measurement of how tall a person or thing is. Height. And give me example sentence. Can you give me example sentence? Height. Example sentence. Height. Or I give you a sentence. She is the same height as her sister. Or he is almost 6 feet in height. Which one? She is the same height as her sister. So height is 6 feet 3 inches. Okay? Or you can say height is 6.3 inches. Understand? You can say 6 feet, or you can say 6.5 inches. What is inches? Inch. Inch is very easy actually. I-N-C-H. I-N-C-H. Inch. It's like 2.54 centimeters. 1 inch. Unit of measurement. Equal to 2.54 centimeters. Inch. Okay, present C. Do you like cooking? Would you like to spend a day with a famous chef and learn new recipes? and techniques. This is the adventure for you. The day includes a delicious lunch. Price $225. $225. Okay, now tell me, who is chef? Just a cook? Okay, so chef, we spell C-H-E-F, but pronunciation is chef. Chef is not just a cook. Chef, a professional cook, especially the most senior cook, like the top cook, okay? The most senior cook in a restaurant or hotel. Repeat. Professional cook, the most senior cook. The most senior cook in a restaurant. Okay, what is recipe? Recipe. A set of instructions that tells you how to cook. If you understand, you have to repeat. A set of instructions that tells you how to cook. Yes, very good. A set of instructions that tells you how to cook something and their ingredients. Or just skip the first part, then say, tell you how to cook something and the ingredients you need for it. Tells you how to cook something and the ingredients you need for it. Okay, very good. Can you give me a sentence? Recipe. I know the recipe for chicken soup, for example, right? It can be vegetarian recipes. And the second meaning of recipe, it's not about cooking, it's not about food, okay? Recipe. Recipe for something. It's not about cook, but not about food. A method or an idea. You understand, right? Method or an idea. That's method or idea. You know idea? That seems likely to have a particular result. So I repeat again, a method or an idea that seems likely to have a particular result. And I give you a synonym. Synonym for this is formula. Formula. Recipe and the synonym here, formula. And I give you example sentence. Yes, you can say it, yes. And I give you example sentence. His plans are a recipe for disaster. His plans are a recipe for disaster. Or another sentence, what's her recipe for success? What's her recipe for success? Yes, what's her recipe for success? For example, she's a very successful woman, and you can ask your friend, what's her recipe for success? So, what's her recipe for success? For success. Okay, good. Present D. You like driving fast, but your car is very slow. Now you too can drive this famous Italian sports car. Italian sports car. Price $450. Minimum age 19 with driver's license. With driver's license. What is age? Age. Yes, how old is a person or thing? Yes, that's right. Or you can say the number of years that a person has lived. The number of years that a person has lived. That a person has lived. Has lived. Has lived is a present perfect. Present perfect tense, right? You know present perfect tense. Person has lived or a thing has existed. Yes, or a thing has existed. You know exist? Okay, I spell it for you. E-X-I-S-T-E. Exist. Existed. Exist. E-X-I-S-T or E-X-I-S-T-E-D. Thing or a thing has existed. Okay, so age. Can you give me a sentence, example sentence for the word age? For example, he left school at the age of 18. For the age of 16, age. Okay, very good. Next. It's easy, it's fun. Everybody's doing it. Wouldn't you like to learn to be the star of the dance floor? Wouldn't you like to learn to be the star of the dance floor? Price $95. And which word we choose? Let's take star. What is star? Yes, very good. A famous person. Yes, a famous person can be a pop star, can be a music star, can be a movie star. Okay, what else? Another meaning? Yes, in a sky, in a space. And we can see it as a point of light in the sky at night. We can see it at night, right? We can see this light at night. And scientifically, do you know the word scientifically? And scientifically, adverb, can you make adverb from it? Adverb. No, adjective. Scientific and adverb, scientifically. Yes. Can you make it scientifically as an adverb? Can you translate it? Yes, exactly. So, scientifically, the word star means, do you want to know what it means? Okay, do you want me to explain it for you? Okay. Or you can say a large ball of burning gas. Yes, exactly. A large ball of burning gas. Yeah, large ball of burning gas. Would you like to have the experience of a lifetime? Of a lifetime and go up into the sky in a hot air balloon. The flight lasts about 1 hour and the view is amazing. Yes, very good. And the view is amazing. Price $375. $375. Okay, so tell me, what is experience? Experience. Experience. And also, when you don't know how to explain it scientifically, you can explain me as, for example, baby asks you. So your baby, 3 years old baby, asks you like, Mom, what is experience? Can you explain it to the baby? So 2 ways of explanation, like baby explanation and scientific explanation, okay? Or just any kind of different explanation. If it's difficult to explain it by scientifically, or it's difficult to explain it in a normal way, at least you have to explain it in a baby explanation, okay? Experience. What is experience? Right pronunciation for that? Experience. Experience. Not experience, right? Experience. Exactly. Okay, what is experience? It's difficult, huh? Okay, or you can say the knowledge and skill, that you have gained. What is gained? Okay, let's spell knowledge then. Knowledge. K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E. G-E, knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge, so what is knowledge? Information, understanding. Knowledge is information and understanding that you get or that you got from education or experience. That you got, or you can say that you gain. Gain. Through education or experience. Education or experience. Yes. Oh, and experience, yes. And gain. Do you know the word gain? Okay, we got the experience. Experience, the knowledge of and skill that you have gained through doing something for a period of time, you can say. Can you give me an example sentence? And my sentence, or you repeat my sentence. Yes, very good. Okay, very good. Or my sentence. She didn't get paid much. She didn't get paid much. Didn't get paid much. Okay, tell me like just in just couple words. Experience ballooning. What is experience ballooning? Can you tell me about present? About ballooning. What is it? What is it about? Sea level. Okay, above the earth, it's okay, you can say it, doesn't matter, it's right or wrong. You say it in English, it's good. It's a bullshit or not, doesn't matter. Okay, experience ballooning. Go on a hot air balloon flight. Right? Can we describe it? Can we describe this present like this? Yes, go on a hot air balloon flight. No, go up or go on. You can say go on or go up. Go on, you go up, and go on, you just fly straight. Okay? Experience cooking. What is it about? Yes. Yes, exactly. Very good. So experience cooking. Present. This present, you spend time with Anthony in his restaurant, right? Time with Anthony in his restaurant. Experience dance. What is it about? Experience dance. What this present about? Yeah, that's right. Salsa dancing for two. Salsa dancing for two. Experience tiger moth. So I give you the name of presents. I give you the name of presents, tiger moth. Yeah, a little bit like, a little bit crazy name, tiger moth. Okay, so what is it about? Okay. Do you know the word vintage? Vintage. What is it? What does it mean, vintage? So what is it? Yes, so you can say typical of period in the past and of high quality. Okay, so experience tiger moth, go in a vintage flying lesson. Go on a vintage flying lesson. Vintage flying lesson. It's a present number 4. Experience tiger moth. Go on a vintage flying lesson. I give you another sample, another example. Vintage wine is of very good quality and has been stored for several years. Has been stored for several years and became vintage wine. Stored. Good. Number 5. Experience Ferrari. What is it about? Driving a famous Italian sport car, a Ferrari. Very good. And the last one, number 6. Experience studio. Present experience studio. You can record a track at a professional studio. Yes, and got your own CD or record a track at a professional studio. Very good. Okay, now tell me, which amazing adventure is the cheapest? The cheapest is no. The easiest is for $95. It's a dance floor, dance experience. Okay, which one is the most expensive? Driving Ferrari? No, it's just $450. And recording a real recording studio, $500. Why no? Experience studio. Flying balloon is just $375. It's not their most expensive. Okay, now tell me, which do you think it is the most dangerous? Okay, very good. The most exciting? Okay, maybe flying balloon for you. What is the most boring? The most boring, yeah. For you, for example, the most boring, yeah. You don't like. Anyway, tell me which one is the most boring. Maybe cooking is boring. No. Salsa is boring. No. Yeah, it depends on the chef. Yeah, maybe chef is a good, right? Okay, no boring here. Okay. What is the most difficult? Airplane, maybe. Yes, as a passenger. No. So it's not difficult, right? If you fly as a passenger. Okay, which one is the most difficult then? Maybe singing. Yes, or driving Ferrari. Oh, driving Ferrari you can go slow, right? It's not difficult. Okay, and yes, that's Nah. Okay, next time maybe. Okay, and last question here. Which do you think is the most useful? The most useful. Useful. So, which one is the most useful? Cooking is the most useful. Okay, very clever. Would you like as a which one would you like as a present? Which one would you like as a present? I would like to get as a present. As a present. Yes, experience Ferrari. Okay. Why? Yes, very good answer. I love driving. Yes. I love driving. Especially I love driving Ferrari. I love driving. Especially I love driving Ferrari. Yes. Okay, and last question here for today. Which one would you like to give to someone in your family as a present, and why? Which one would you like to give to someone in your family as a present, and why? And, okay, good. You asked your husband, okay, good. And he said, cooking class for him. Ah, okay. He also wanted cooking class. Okay. He doesn't want to Ferrari or flying or whatever. Just cooking class is okay for him. Okay, very good. Hey, okay, very good lesson.